I'll come to you. Such an iconic place, गेटी में है. यहाँ आके मतलब पिक्चर लॉन्च करना अपने आप में बहुत बड़ी बात है और ये मास सिनेमा की हम बात कर रहे हैं जो कि हर किसी को बहुत अपील करेगा. सो क्या लग रहा है, कैसा लग रहा है? और तालियां सीटियां इसकी तो आदत ही है ना, इसमें क्या नया है?
नहीं सर, द फैक्ट रिमेन्स मेरा पूरा बचपन इस थिएटर में आते यहाँ पर ही इन सीटों में बैठकर फिल्में देखते हुए ही बड़ी हुई हूँ मैं. तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है कि गेटी में ये पिक्चर जो मेरे लिए बहुत खास है. ऐसी फिल्में शायद एक एक्टर को बार बार करने नहीं मिलती. मुझे सिर्फ इस बात का बहुत गर्व है और खुशी है कि संपत सर ने सोचा कि अगर हम एक औरत को रिप्रेजेंट करें तो किस तरीके से रिप्रेजेंट करें. एंड ही थॉट ऑफ यूजिंग द पार्ट ऑफ शिव शक्तिस, क्योंकि हमने शायद मेन के लिए हमने नागा साधुस देखे हैं, अघोरीज देखे हैं, फिल्मों में उनका रिप्रेजेंटेशन हुआ है, लेकिन महिलाओं के लिए कोई भी रिप्रेजेंटेशन नहीं हुआ है. और ऐसा एक किरदार लेकर एक बहुत बड़ी कमर्शियल फिल्म बनाना, इसके लिए बहुत अपनी कला पे, अपने हुनर पे बहुत फेथ होना चाहिए, बहुत पकड़ होनी चाहिए. इसीलिए मैं बहुत आभारी हूँ संपत सर की, आपने ऐसी फिल्म बनाने का सोचा और उसमें मुझे लेने का सोचा.
Thank you so much.
And my question is to my all-time favorite तमन्ना. वो ये है कि I'm personally a huge Mahadev bhakt as well. मैं हर Monday को मंदिर जाता हूँ and all that. So I relate with the project on a very personal level as well, right? I want to ask you कि ऐसा कुछ चीज़ रहा है ज़िंदगी में where maybe things were not going right or you were unsure about things and उस time पे आपने महादेव को pray किया and almost miraculously and wonderfully things fell into place and you're really really happy about that situation. ऐसा कुछ रहा है ज़िंदगी में moment?
I really think, and hi, it's so good to see you. हम हमेशा आपके साथ जब भी इंटरव्यू किया है बहुत अच्छा रहा है, बहुत ही एक heartfelt इंटरव्यू रहता है.
We'll do for this one as well, hopefully.
We have to do, but आपसे जब भी बात करती हूँ बहुत ही heartfelt conversations होती हैं. So thank you for coming here. I think जब ज़िंदगी में कोई प्रॉब्लम आती है या हम किसी डिफ़िकल्ट जोन से गुजर रहे होते हैं तो हम हमेशा बाहर कुछ ढूंढने की कोशिश करते हैं कि हमें कुछ सहारा मिल जाए कि हम समझ सके कि क्या हो रहा है. लेकिन आई थिंक जो मैंने सीखा है महादेव को प्रे करके इज़ दैट जो भी हमें चाहिए वो हमारे अंदर ही है, हमें कहीं बाहर ढूंढने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. और अगर हम अंदर सचमुच झांक के देखें तो हमें हर प्रश्न का जवाब मिल जाता है. तो यही है मेरी सीख और यही मैं फॉलो करती हूँ.
Thank you so much.
Hello.
Fantastic trailer and very commanding screen presence. Now every project teaches an actor something about their craft that I can do this also. It surprises them in a good way.
I'm so sorry, you're a little less audible. Do you mind? Sorry.
So every project teaches an actor something about their craft that I can do this also. Maybe a difficult emotion. What did this film teach you particularly as an actor?
Sometimes you have to play a character for which the prep can't be physical, the prep can't be mental, the prep can't be something that you can take a reference from. That was a big actually challenge for a film like this because Shiva Shakti women, we don't have any cinematic reference for it. So that when that's the case, then you really have to be able to pull it off by trusting the unknown, by trusting what you don't know, and by trusting what you don't understand. So for me, this was a very internalized kind of journey, and there were times while I was filming this where I felt like this couldn't be me because it was really beyond my logical understanding how we were able to pull off certain scenes. But I'll just leave you with one thought. The idea of making a film like this in a commercial format is that we think divinity is somewhere up there and is somewhere we have to search and find. But we really wanted this character. If you see how the character looks and feels, there's no makeup. I'm not wearing makeup. We just wanted the character to feel like you and me. Because essentially, it's us. We have divinity within us, and we are constantly searching it everywhere. It's a very profound and esoteric thought, but the idea of putting it in this big commercial cinema is that somewhere, hopefully somewhere, when people leave the theaters, everyone will try to tap into devotion to find the divinity within themselves. And that's basically the reason why we made this film. I really hope this film touches everyone, because at the end, good always wins over evil.
तमन्ना जी,
Thank you.
तमन्ना जी आपके सामने.
ये तो मेरे फेवरेट आ गए, oh God.
हाय, थैंक यू. एंड
Thank you.
तमन्ना जी, वो ऐसी कोई पर्सनालिटी है जिसके ऊपर आप तंत्र मंत्र की विद्या से उसके ऊपर विजय हासिल करना चाहती हैं?
ये तो आप पे ही करना पड़ेगा. फिर सारा पैपराजी मेरे मुट्ठी में होगा. What do you say? कर ले, सर पे ही कर ले.
अरुण सर, वश में आ जाओगे.
Then all the paparazzi, then they'll be listening to whatever I say. चलेगा? आप ही पे करना पड़ेगा.
Hi
जी.
Tamanna.
ये पापा है राजी के.
Hi Tamanna. Hi everybody to your right.
हाँ जी,
I'm
ma'am.
Neha
जी.
from Curly Tales and Mashable. My question is to everybody, since we are talking about Shiv Shakti and the trailer looks fantastic. What do you think about, is there any divine intervention when you guys were shooting? Is there anything that happened you guys can share with us?
Want me to tell them about it? Okay. So when we were shooting the climax of the film, we had a massive set that was put up, and there was a lot of something to the effect of different kind of rangoli that was put on the floor, and it was a part of a scene, and everywhere around our set it was raining, and it was mud.
100 meters away also.
Yeah, including 100 meters away, it was raining. And when we used to enter the set, we would be wondering how are we going to shoot? And even if we manage to arrive at shooting, how will that setup still be there for us to shoot in? And it was only Madhu sir. He was like, in our set, it will not rain. And it actually, and I'm not cooking this up, but it actually did not rain exactly where we were shooting. And I feel like, what else is divine, right? Like, it's the nature helping you to just do your job. I think that was pretty amazing and a divine intervention, I guess.
True.
Madhu sir, last question.
Please, last, please.
पूछ लो quickly.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी.
Hi, Tamanna ji.
Yes, ma'am.
Samira here from Viral Bhayani.
Yes. Oh.
तमन्ना जी, मेरा सवाल आपसे ये है, जिस तरह से आपको यहाँ पर इस मूवी में, इस किरदार में सुपरनैचुरल पावर्स दिए गए हैं, अगर आपको रियल लाइफ में ये सुपरनैचुरल पावर दिया जाए तो आप किसे अपने वश में करना पसंद करोगे?
मैं बस सबके दिल में बसना चाहती हूँ.
आप बसे हुए हो.
खत्म, माइक ड्रॉप, है ना? अब 17th April is when we'll get to see the movie in theaters, और फिर इन actors की जो power है, जो prowess है, उसको वापस देखेंगे. Thank you so much. That's all we have for you, ladies and gentlemen.